Hello everyone, this is my review of the Qtzen Mini Espresso Machine. I noticed how compact and space-friendly it is. It does not take up much counter space, yet still feels solid when brewing espresso or lungo shots. What really stood out was how fast it works. The high-performance pump reaches enough pressure to pull a shot from capsule to cup in about 35 seconds. For busy mornings, that's a lifesaver. The brewing results impressed me, too. I got a rich crema on top, and the taste felt full enough for espresso, but smooth enough for everyday drinking. The adjustable cup-size espresso or lungo adds flexibility for whatever kind of coffee mood I'm in. Cleanup and maintenance are easy thanks to the removable water tank and simple capsule drop design. No complicated mess. Pop the capsule, brew, and toss. Because it's made for capsules, you're limited to pods compatible with OriginalL. It won't brew loose ground coffee or special roast order beans. Also, if you want milk, frothing, or specialty drinks, you'll need a separate frother or device. Overall, if you want a compact, quick, capsule-based espresso setup for home or office, something that gives absolute convenience without taking up space, this machine is a strong choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.